Hey everyone! Welcome back to Digital Growth Tutor. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create an Instagram profile visit campaign in Meta Ads Manager, step by step. This type of campaign is perfect if you want to increase your Instagram visibility, attract more profile visitors, and grow your followers. Let's get started. First, log into your Meta Business Manager and open Ads Manager. Make sure you're using the correct ad account. Click Create to start a new campaign. Select the objective, Traffic. This objective allows you to send people directly to your Instagram profile. Choose Manual Traffic Campaign under Campaign Setup. This gives you full control. Click Continue. You can rename the campaign if you want. Now, set your budget, either daily or lifetime based on your preference. Once done, click Next to move to the ad set level. Rename your ad set so you can easily recognize the audience later. Under Conversion Location, select Instagram and Facebook. Now choose the Facebook page that is already connected to your Instagram account. If your accounts are not connected, you'll see a Connect Account button. If you need help connecting your Instagram and Facebook account, check the video linked in the iCard. Set an end date if you want your campaign to stop automatically. Next, set your target location. You can refine your audience by choosing age, gender, detailed targeting, interests, behaviors, demographics. Scroll down and keep Advantage Plus Placement recommended by Meta for better reach. Click Next. Under Ad Setup, you can choose Use Existing Post, or, for this tutorial, I'll select Create Ad. Upload an image or video for your ad. Add your primary text. Make sure it's engaging and encourages users to check your Instagram profile. Once everything looks good, click Publish. And that's it. You've successfully created an Instagram profile visit campaign on Meta. This campaign will help drive more people to your Instagram profile, increasing visibility and potential followers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and check out my other step-by-step videos here on Digital Growth Tutor. Thanks for watching.